memory. Hope you got somewhere to be. I've been floating out in space. I thought I'd write to you in case you felt alone, just like me.
Hi friends, today I'll show you 10 ways how to incorporate a ribbon or a thin scarf to easily spice up your hairstyle. But before starting, don't forget to tell me in comments down below which of these hairstyle was your favorite. So I'll begin with our first one. We want to select a section of hair from one side of our parting, bring it back and tie it with a clear elastic. Make an opening and bring your ponytail through this opening. Then you want to repeat on the other side. Now, grabbing a ribbon and bring it through these two openings and tie them both together, and also you can make a bow. For our second half updo, we want to select our crown section, grab a small ribbon and tie this crown section with it, like that. Tighten it and then selecting two sections from both sides of our parting, bring it over our ribbon and tie them both together tightly. You can leave it like that or knot it well, or you can make a bow with it. And here I'll show you guys a trick how to basically iron your ribbon. So I'm using a straightener for that. Next one, gathering all our hair into a middle ponytail, we want to tie it with a clear elastic, smoothing everything out. You want to bring a ribbon through this elastic. Then you want to incorporate this ribbon into your 3-strand braid. Secure everything with a clear elastic again. Roll your created braid around the base. And pin it in place using some bobby pins, like that, but make sure to hide the ends, of course. Then grabbing the ends of your ribbon or tiny scarf and make a bow with it, and look how beautiful a super simple bun looks with a ribbon, right? For the next one, we want to select half of our hair, like creating a half up ponytail, and tie it with a clear elastic. Then grabbing a long ribbon, you want to wrap it around the base of your half up ponytail, make a bow with it, and then grabbing the ends, you want to make a 3-strand braid. So basically you divide your ponytail into two, grabbing one of these sections, divide it into two again, and incorporate one end of the ribbon. You want to braid them like a 3-strand braid, and you want to repeat on the other side. Divide remaining section into two, incorporate the ribbon and make a 3-strand braid with them. Secure it with a clear elastic, and our romantic half-up hairstyle is ready. We want to select our front section and leave them away for later. Grabbing the rest, you want to tie it into a middle ponytail. Then you want to grab a ribbon and tie it over your ponytail. Now grabbing those both sections, you want to bring it over the ribbon and tie them both together. I like so much the effect of this relaxed ponytail. And then you want to make a bow with the remaining ends. For the next hairstyle, you want to grab our favorite claw clip, tie a ribbon, and then you want to make a bow with it, like so. And for our hairstyle, we want to gather our upper hair from behind our ears, like I'm showing. Tie it with a clear elastic, and last time pull a hair halfway through, divide this created bubble into two, grab your claw clip and clip it in the middle like so. For the next one, we want to make a low ponytail, and you want to incorporate into our ponytail the ribbon, and then you want to divide your ponytail into two. Then grabbing one of these sections, divide it into two, incorporating our ribbon. We want to make with it a 3-strand braid. Tie the ends with a clear elastic. Repeat this braid with remaining section. Now grabbing one of these braids, you want to bring it forward, creating kind of Milkmaid Braid. Make sure to pin it in place using good bobby pins. Also hide the ends of your ribbon and of course our clear elastic under our previous braid. Use some hairspray. Now you want to repeat with your second braid. The same steps, pin it well in place, use some hairspray if needed. For our next one, we want to make a low ponytail, gathering all our hair. Then you want to loosen it a bit, make an opening and bring the ponytail through it. And now again, you want to bring it through your opening one more time. Then grabbing the ends, you want to tie it with a clear elastic so it will not unravel, and then incorporate into it a ribbon. And remaining hair, you want to bring it through your opening again. If your hair is longer, if not, then one time it's enough. And then grabbing the ends and the ribbon, you want to wrap it around your created bun. I'll wrap it several times to secure it, and I like it. I like my buns when they are tight. When bringing up your ribbons, you want to tie them, secure it, and then you want to make a bow with your remaining ends of the ribbon, like so. Next one, we want to gather half of our hair and clip it for later, like I'm showing. Then grabbing underneath a section, you want to make with it a simple 3-strand braid, like that. Tie the ends with a clear elastic and pull it a bit if needed. Then, releasing our top section, we want to divide it into 3 and lightly twist away from our face the front section and begin a simple 3-strand braid with these 3 sections. Tie your braid with a clear elastic and pull it a bit if needed. To make it more romantic looking, we'll use 2 small ribbons for that to cover our clear elastics. So basically wrap it once around the elastic, and then with the ends we want to make a bow like I'm showing with both braids. These braids are so trendy now, guys. We don't make a French braid now, we make a double braid, okay? Next, gathering our hair into a low ponytail, we want to tie it with an elastic. I like clear elastics, of course. And with this ponytail, we'll make a simple 3-strand braid again. You can make it as loose as you want it. Tie it with a clear elastic. Then you want to make an opening. You want to bring it through the opening, bringing it up like I'm showing. The ends you want to bring it and hide it up as well. And use some good bobby pins to fix everything in place. Now, we want to use a ribbon to cover our elastic. So basically we'll make an opening here and bring our ribbon through it and make a bow with this ribbon, like that. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. Tell me please in comments down below which one was your favorite. But that's it for today. Love you so much and see you soon in my next one. Bye!